Yes, guys, Etsy digital product niches. Let's go, guys. I'm going to show you how to find some digital product niches that are actually not saturated, ones that you can actually get in right now and sell. Guys, this is the important thing because with digital products, you got to be very careful because quite a lot is saturated and getting saturated. So you got to be real quick. So, guys, if you do enjoy videos on digital products and Etsy, then please hit the like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell for more videos like this. And without further ado, let's get into this. So basically, look, I've just typed in digital products. Now check this out, guys, and you know this already. 472,267 results. I mean, digital planners is off the charts, guys. You know that, and I know that. But look, they do sell. There's a lot of demand for it, right? There's a lot of demand. But getting into this with this many results, and you know I don't like this number. You know my number is 20K and below. If you want to sell and sell well and start ranking, 20K and below, guys, right? Know this. This is the results. So 472 is ridiculous, right? But I'm going to show you some ways and stay right to the end of this video, guys, because I'm going to give you a few gems across the video. And remember, just listen very carefully, and I'm going to show you some really quick ways of doing this, right? So number one, I've just typed in digital planners, right? I'm not looking at this. This is it's not going to work for me. Now, as you can see here, the top line, just in terms of popularity, the top line are all ads by Etsy. And then you're looking at the next line. This is where it starts kind of ranking. You can see the ones that are killing it, guys. Look, this is EVERBEE, and this is how I actually do my product research. And like I said, I do have links in the description below for all of the software and all websites that I use, and you'll see EVERBEE there. And so, digital planners. What I do like to do as well is I might type in, as I said, behavior or well-being. See, well-being, because well-being is one of the things that we looked at. Well-being could be something there. So if I'm going to add what I do like to do is to test things out. Is I would add words to the main digital planners word to make it like a long tail word, because to rank on Etsy, you need to start off with the long tail words. So digital planners is a massive, massive niche. And now look, well-being digital planners, digital planner templates. Obviously, I need to look for templates. Now look, the results are much less, which is fantastic because that's what you need it to be. For you to rank and to get into a new category within the digital products, you need to be able to do this, guys. So I like to do this. You can see self-care journals. And then what I would do is I would start looking and seeing what they're doing. I know it's mixed up with some of these will be hard copy, but obviously you need to just make sure you find the downloadable ones, the digital ones, right? Sift through it, habit trackers. There's loads of things here, and what it is you will start finding other ideas. So, this is a habit tracker. Let's just click on the habit tracker. This is an interesting angle as well. Obviously, I'm going to use my SEO. Like I said, you can do things manually, but I like to just analyze a bit further. So what I'll do is I would analyze this one. I'd look at maybe, what it's doing, what's selling. Now, this one is not fantastic in terms of sales. It's not selling that hardly any, but it gives you an idea. But what it will do is I will start looking and seeing what it's ranking for, and looking at the trend and the volume with these, because I'll still get some good ideas and see what might work when I start looking at this. So I can see well-being is not too bad, Well-being is not too bad. I've seen that before. But what I would do is I would keep typing in, keywords. So well-being. I know that the teacher niche is quite good as well. Teacher digital planners, right? That's quite a good one. And then what I'll do is I'll start looking at this 10,000, nice number, like a nice number. And then I'll start looking at these, and I can see, this is something that I could rank for easily. And then look, and I could see that the numbers are quite good as well. They're quite simple as well to do. I mean, this one's selling quite a lot. Obviously, I need to double check it, but let's just say, That's an ad anyway, so I'm not gonna go to the ad one. I'm gonna go to this one, digital planner. This looks quite good. They've got a video on it. It's important the way you actually present your digital products. You might have a video there. You might have really nice, clear, clean pictures, images. That goes a long way. For them to click through, you need to have these things, guys. So let me just click on this one because it's at the top of that page. So, it looks quite good, but obviously, I need to look into it. I like the tones, the colors into that they've got. And then what it is you'll see 2023 digital planner, teacher planner. Now 2023, I can imagine being a decent one, right? Now, obviously, you just need to see, how much is being viewed and so on, even if it isn't selling quite well. But look at this. Look at the trend. The trend for 2023 digital planner with 5,000 volume looks like it's a good one to trend for, right? It's a good trend to have. But in terms of, what we're trying to find is there's a good volume, about 5,000 in terms of teacher 2023 planners. Okay. But obviously, you want to be able to, click on individual ones. And this is part of the research, guys. Look, this is part of the research. When I've clicked on this one now, this is called the Ultimate Digital Planner. I know that people love to look, this is crazy though. 23,000 sales, guys. 23,000 sales with a 6-month listing, right? This is mad. This is crazy, right? And again, you can see confirm things, digital planners, digital planner, still going good. Good notes planner, still going, still good. iPad planner is good. So what this guy has done is, and then obviously 2023 digital planner, this guy has done really well in terms of like choosing keywords, right? Choosing some fantastic keywords. Look at this, 3,000 reviews. Just, sales are unbelievable for the seller. Unbelievable. They got a nice video. They know what they're doing. So what you do, you get some tips, some advice from sellers like this. And there's more. You keep typing in new words, teacher. You get some ideas, and then you also can check out the volume. Look, even here it's telling me what the volume are. Look at the volume for this one. ADHD digital plans 1,897. ADHD digital plans 2023 857. So what I mean by this is you keep typing in here and getting some really good and then get some really good sort of search, and then check out what the searches are as well for these things, which you can get when you click on the different examples. These habit trackers, like I said, and some will rank for many different things. The ADHD digital planner. Look at this one, the ADHD growth mindset. And that's getting to be also quite popular, guys. So keep typing in different words, keywords, and you get these words. As you scroll down to the listings, you will see, a lot of these sellers, look at that, selling 3,461, guys. That is huge, right? And look, you can see this is trending, guys. Look, it's clearly trending. ADHD planner, look at the end of this graph, 2442, 1848. Yep, ADHD is definitely trending, guys. Any word that is to do with ADHD is going up, right? Is going up. And that's how you find, guys. This is what you do to find trends. Now, another way very quickly that I'll show you. Like I said, I use EVERBEE to do this, but let's say, I've got digital planners, or should I say habit digital planners. Let's say I'm looking at habit digital plans, and I really want to delve in very quickly. So I might do product analytics very quickly. I'll just show you something real quick. And then what I'll do is I'll look at monthly revenue. I want to see one that's selling a lot, right? Okay, I know that is quite new. And I'll try and find one that's selling like a lot. But at the same time, with a low listing age, which is quite new as well. Now look at this one, 65,000 USD in a month. Wow, that is mad. 2,352 sales. The listing age is 1 month old, guys. 1 month old. Now I did say that the 2023. That's mad. I did say that the 2023. I gotta see this one. This one's crazy. Let's have a look at this, guys. This is mad selling. That girl digital planner, right? Look at this. Right, this is absolute beast of a seller, right? Look at this. So, it's going through what it's about. Obviously, a digital planner, monthly big goals, lots of things to do with it: calendar, index, tracker, self care. It's got a lot of things to do with it. But look, this works. And, it's a case of looking at the ideas and trying to do something similar. When you look at the templates, there's nothing amazing with them. Annual goals, productivity. These can be graphs. It can be knocked up. Tables can be knocked up very quickly. But what it is you can get an idea of the keyword that they're actually, they're ranking for. All of these, that Go Planner, an iPad planner, we saw it. It's trending. 2023 digital planner, we saw it. It's trending. So Good Notes as well is trending. So a lot of these keywords is what they do, and they put them in there just to actually help them rank for this. But look, this one is an amazing one. And then I'd look and see what they're doing. Look at the colors. It's a bestseller. Look at the video. So 1 month old as well, guys. Like, that's all it is. So guys, look, the digital planner niche is fantastic, but you need to get into the sub niches, right? To excel on digital planners, which has got a massive market. And, I'll always say all day, you get into a market that has customers queuing up and wanting to get into it. But you need to get into the sub niches if you want to be able to rank, guys, especially if you're going into it new. Guys, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to do loads of videos on this because I want to show you exactly kind of the good niches to get into. So don't forget the videos. There'll be a couple of videos that come up after it. Don't forget to watch those as well. It gives you some fantastic tips. And also don't forget to check out my playlist. And guys, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care, guys.